number 3, it says solve the quotient, rewrite each in unit form. And letter A is an example. So they did 800 divided by 2 equals 400. Then to write it in unit form, they said 800s divided by 2 equals 400s. Do you agree with their example? I only heard a couple yes.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. All right, so let's try the next one. 600 divided by 2 equals 300. You guys do that one fast. I agree. So let's write 300 in there. Fill it in. But then we have to write it in unit form. So what would the unit form be? Can someone raise their hand and tell me? Maddie P?
600s divided by 2 equals 300.
Clap twice if you agree with Maddie. Okay, I didn't hear that many, but I agree with Maddie. So we had 600s, and we divided it by 2, and then we got 300s. I agree. All right, we're going to do a few more together, then I'll let you do some by yourself, okay? All right, let's do C. 800 divided by 4.
200.
You guys are so quick. 200. So how do I write that?
800.
Kaylee has her hand up. Kaylee, help me out.
300 divided by 4 equals 200.
Yep, so she said 800s divided by 4 equals 200s. All right, we're going to do D together, then I'll let you do the next ones by yourself. All right, here we go. 900 divided by 3.
300.
Good job, 300. Who can raise their hand and tell me how to write that in unit form? Jesslyn, help me out.
300.
Let's start with can we start with the whole number?
I was thinking about
The answer, that's okay. What's the whole number?
900.
Yep, 900s. Then what?
Divided by 3
Yep,
equals 300.
good job. Equals 300s. All right, I'm going to give you a few minutes to do this whole row. But before you start, look at what units they're using. What units are they using? Tens. So you have to change these numbers into tens because these guys, most of them, have a number in the 10 spot and in the 100 spot, not just zeros. So go ahead, on all of these, I want you to do them in tens. Do you want to do the first one together to... Okay, if you are ready to move on, go ahead and do that row. I'm going to do the first one with anyone who wants to do it with me. If you don't want to do it with me, just keep working. So 300 divided by 6. If I have to do it in tens, I'm going to look at these two numbers. What number would that be?
30.
30 divided by 6. Well, it's 30 divided by 6. 5. But I have to do something with this 0 that's left over here. What do I do with it?
Bring it over.
Yep, I bring it over. So 300 divided by 6 equals 50. So 30 tens divided by 6 equals 5 tens. All right, go ahead and work on F, G, and H, and then we will gather together and talk about it in a second. If you feel like you're stuck, don't worry about it. We'll go back. We're going to go through these all together in a few minutes. When you're done, if you can put your head down, I will know you're ready to move on. All right, looks like most of you are ready to move on. So let's go over these. I'm going to tell you what I got, and then I'm going to see if our answers match, okay? So 240 divided by 4. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to write down my problem below it as I go. So that would be the same as 24 tens divided by 4. So the answer to that I would have been 6 tens, or on the top one, 60. Raise your hand if we match. Okay, perfect. All right, let's try the next one. 450 divided by 5. I'm just going to look at these two numbers to start. So I'm going to write down here 45 tens divided by 5. And I know what 45 divided by 5 is.
Yes.
9. So 45 divided by 5 would be 9 tens. And 9 tens is the same as what number? 90. All right, H, 200 divided by 5. I'm going to look at these two numbers, and that is 20 tens divided by 5. I know 20 divided by 5, that's 4, equals 4 tens, and 4 tens is the same as what number? 40. All right, looking at that last column now, or row I should say, 3,600 divided by 4. It gives me a little bit of information. Now, we did hundreds up here, then we did tens, and in this row, we're going back to hundreds, it looks like. So, we just look at this in hundreds. Let's see what they did. They did 36 hundredths divided by 4. Do you agree with that? So what's 36 divided by 4?
9.
Max says 9. Do you guys agree with him?
Yeah.
So 9 hundredths. But what would I write up here?
900.
900. All right, so let's keep going. I'm going to look at these two numbers, so I have the 2 zeros left at the end. What number is this in unit form? 24 what? 24 hundredths, and we're dividing it by 4. 24 hundredths divided by 4 is what?
600.
6 hundredths, and that's the same as what number?
600.
600. All right, let's keep moving. K, who can tell me what to write? Jacob?
2400 divided by 3 equals.
All right, 24 hundredths. Oh, so it's just like our last problem, but we're dividing by a different number. 24 hundredths divided by 3. What's the answer to that? Do we know 24 divided by 3?
Yes.
8. 8 what?
100.
How do I write that in standard form?
800.
Yep, 800. All right, and then L there, 4,000 divided by 5. Someone who hasn't haven't shared with me today? Give me, tell me what I need to write. Garrett, thanks for raising your hand, bud.
800.
Okay, what do I write down here?
40.
Yep, 40 what?
100.
40 hundredths. And what am I dividing by?
Divided by 5. equals 8.
Good job. 8 hundredths. What's 8 hundredths in standard form, Garrett? Like, what do I write right here?
800.
800, yep. All right, guys, we have 3 story problems. Can we do it?
Yeah.
I think so. We'll do them together. All right, it says this. Number 4. Some sand weighs 2,800 kilograms. It is divided equally among 4 trucks. How many kilograms of sand are in each truck? How would I write that? What's the problem? Aiden?
2,800 divided by 4.
2,800 divided by 4. Yep. Do you guys agree with them? All right, let's get this into a number we can easily divide in our heads without doing any work on paper. Maddie P?
28 divided by 4.
28 what? You're right.
2,800.
Yep, 28 hundredths divided by 4 equals what? Emma? I mean, Ella. Sorry, I called you Emma.
It equals 7.
7 hundredths, yep. 7 hundredths. So, how many kilograms of sand are there in each truck?
700.
700. So we can just write, there are 700. What's our abbreviation for kilograms? kg. There are 700 kg in each truck. Isn't this cool, guys?
Yeah.
You can do this without even writing any problems out.
Yeah.
All right, 2 problems. We might only get to number 5. Ivy has 5 times as many stickers as Adrian has. Ivy has 350 stickers. How many stickers does Adrian have? So what's our problem here? What's our whole number? Let's always start with the whole number. David, what's our whole number?
3,500? Well, 35 tens.
Okay, so we have 350. What she says is the same as 35 tens. Do you guys agree with that? Okay, me too, but what are we dividing by? 5. So what would 35 divided by 5 equal? 7. But what are we using ones or what unit do we need? Tens. 7 tens is the same as 70. So what could my sentence be? Kaylee?
Adrian has 70 stickers.
Yeah. Adrian has 70 stickers. All right, we are not going to have time to finish number 6, but you guys do have homework tonight. I want you guys to do this whole homework page. It's just one-sided, so just this one front. Okay, I don't know what happened to the other page, but lucky you, you only have this page to do. Okay? All right, have a great day.